Stand by for dispatch. Anytime now, racing fans. Ang ating galing. Acting up. Stand by for dispatch once again. Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Musashi, draws for your lead. Be Cool right behind in second. Kitek Nikki by the rail. Intramuros. Ang ating galing is racing on the outside Pip, then followed by runner number 3, My Little Grace, running by the rail. Slum Shots, Lakewood, Work of Heart, about to be comes next, then followed by Bangge as they round towards the 600. Musashi leading the field. Be Cool now getting closer on the outside, racing in third. Ang ating galing as they round towards the 450. Now we have Be Cool, the leader by about a length. Running in second, Musashi. Ang ating galing, Kitek Nikki, a long shot trying to get closer. And down the stretch they come. Be Cool, Kitek Nikki is running by the rail second. But Be Cool still leading the field. Kitek Nikki remains in second and down the stretch and leading the field wire. It's entry number 11, Be Cool, Kitek Nikki. Musashi, Intramuros, Lakewood for your Pentapecta.